Hello guys, I'm back with another video. Welcome to Yes You Can channel. So I've got a Lenovo laptop and the keyboard is flashing with blinking power button. As you can see, look at this problem guys. So this problem is mainly caused by RAM issue. You have defective RAM that causes this problem to blink continuously. Now, RAM is an important part of the laptop. Without memory, you cannot function the laptop. It will not boot to Windows. It will bleep. But in this instance, as you can see, the backlight keyboard is flashing with the power button. Now, to rectify this issue, you need to remove the RAM from the back casing cover. So in most cases, you have to unscrew the cover, remove the RAM. So if you've got two RAM sticks, take one out, leave one in there, and see if it boots accordingly. If not, you will need to replace the RAM sticks and the error should be rectified. If this video has helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.